Welcome. This is Jeremy Leza over at You Broke It, and right now I'm doing a breakdown on how to replace a 3.5-inch SATA hard drive on a Dell Inspiron 3646 desktop PC. As you can see, we start by taking the two screws out of the top. There's also one more screw next to the CD-ROM drive bay inside the desktop. Make sure when you take off these three tabs that you lift up on the front of the case, so that way the bottom of the black piece itself can come off easier. There are also two screws on the front of the case, one next to each side of the CD-ROM drive. At this point, you can just lift the bay out of the case. And of course, you'll want to undo the SATA cables and the power cables for each device. Here is the hard drive. That is the bad one. There are two screws on each side of the drive that you will need to take out. Once you take out the bad drive, you can insert the new drive. Insert the two screws on each side, tighten them. You will also want to make sure you install your SATA cables and power cables back into both the optical drive and the hard drive as well. You will then want to install the drive in the whole bay the way that it was taken out directly from the top. And put the mounting hardware screws back in place. and then proceed to install your software as you normally would, whether it is Windows 10, Linux, what have you. That is our show on how to replace a hard drive on a Dell Inspiron 3646. Thank you for watching.